Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form I-907, which is request for premium processing service. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from USCIS and also based on the instruction that comes with the form. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's go for it. Before we begin, I want to mention this. I have a high volume of comments and email, so from now on, I'm gonna give a higher priority for my members of this channel. So now let's start filing this form. Before you begin filing any form, always check the expiration date. This is a new version of I-907 that will expire on the February 28, 2027. The first top part right here is for USCIS use only. Do not touch it. The bottom part is for attorney if you use one. So for us, we're gonna start where it says start here. Type or print in a black ink. You gotta remember, you can do both. You can type when you print it. You can add anything with a black ink. But my advice: do not correct something that's already been typed. That's my advice. Now let's go to part one: information about the person filing this request. Number one, alien registration number, A number. If you file, just an example, because the form are eligible for requests for premium processing service are four. One of them, the first one is I-129, I-539, I-765, and I-140. So if you fill the petition at the same time and you requesting the premium processing, you send both forms at the same time. So you will not have a number. But if you decide to do the premium processing after you received I-797, you will have a number. So it depends how you file your form. In this video, I'm filing both at the same time, I-140 and I-907. So we don't have a number since we are doing it at the same time with I-140. So USCIS online account, it will depend. If you filled a petition before online, you will have a USCIS online account. And always, if you have a USCIS online account, your receipt number always will start with I or a number. And let's go now to number three, family name. It's Baker. First name is Liman. Middle name is A. When I print it, I'm going to add a / right here. A company or organization named in the related case. I'm going to leave it blank or NA, both works. Mailing address in care of name. As you can see right here, this is a foreign address because this is I filled I-140 for as a self petition. So in care of name, Baker's Liman, street number and name. 120 حي المسيرة, city or town is Kenifra, province is Kenifra. Postal code is 54000 and the country is Morocco. Number 6 is your current mailing address the same as your physical address? In my case is yes. If you answer yeah, if you answer no, you must provide it on item number 7, physical address. So for us, this one would be left blank. Number 8, a request for premium processing service. Select only one box. As I mentioned, this is a self-petition for I-140, and we are filing I-907 to request premium processing service for I-140. So I am the petitioner who is filed or has filed a petition eligible for premium processing service. Say it has two. If you do it at the same time, you will not have a number. But if you have failed a petition eligible for premium processing and you have I-797, you will have C and you will have a number. So now let's go to part 2, information about the request, form, number of related petition or application. In my case is I-140. As I mentioned, we have 4 forms. So in my case is I-140. Receipt number of related petition or application. So if you are doing it at the same time, so we don't have this a number, receipt number. So for receipt number, we don't have it. So, but if you received I-797 and you decide to request premium processing, you will have a receipt number. So classification or eligibility requested is EB2. Petitioner or applicant in the related case is Baker. Family name. First name is Sliman. Middle name is Ney. I'm going to add a slash, forward slash right here when it's printed. Beneficiary in the related case. Family name is Baker. Given name is Sliman. And middle name is Ney. I'm going to add a forward slash when I print it with a black ink. Name of point of contact of the company or organization is Ney. I'm going to add a forward slash when I print it for this field right here. Position title is physician. That's for self-petition as a physician. Company or organization, IRS, employer identification number. I put NA, or you can leave it blank since you are doing this self-petition, is not the company. We still in part 2, information about the request, address of the petitioner, applicant, company, or organization named in the related case. This is a foreign address. It's going to be the same as the one we provided. Street number, name is 120 Hayl Masira. City or town is Kenifra. Province is Kenifra. Postal code is 54,000. And the country is Morocco. So now we're going to go to part 3, which is requesters, statement, contact information, declaration, certification, and signature. Please read this. Read the penalties section of the form I-907 instruction before completing this form. It is very important to read it. So requesters statement. Select the box for either item A or B in item number 1. If applicable, select the box for item number 2. So in my case, it's going to be A. I can read and understand English, and I have read and understand every question and instruction on this request and may answer to every question. If you use the prepare, you're going to select this one right here. And then the type, the language that the prepare helped you with. If you use a prepare, you're going to use the right here. And sometimes you can do both. In this case, right here, you can do the prepare and the interpreter. Somebody prepare this form for you, but somebody help you interpret the form for you. So in my case, is A. So I find this form by myself. So now we go to requesters, contact information. So requesters, daytime telephone number. There's a phone number right here, same thing as a mobile number. Requesters fax number, I don't have one. And requesters email address. This is very, very important. sb@gmail.com. You need to provide this. It is very, very important. So now we're gonna go to requesters, statement, contact information, declaration, certification, and signature is continued. Now first I'm gonna date it. It's today's date. Is 11/17. And do not, for requester signature, they are asking to sign it with a black ink once you print it. Do not initial it or put your full name right here. It will be rejected if you do that. It must be signed with a black ink once you print it. Part 4 is for interpreters, contact information. We did not use any interpreters, so the part 4 will be left blank. Part 5, same way, is for the contact information, declaration, and signature for the person preparing this request. If other than the requester, will be left blank because we did not use any prepare. And the part 8 and last part is 6, which is additional information. I'm not going to go through this one because I have a separate video for this, just for this page right here, additional form, and it is the same for all USCIS forms. So now we completed filing the form I-907 Now we need to talk about the filing fee, supporting documents, and where to file. So this is I-907 filing fee. So I include all the forms right here, eligible forms, but in this video, as I mentioned, is gonna be for I-140. Form I-907 with a Form I-140, immigrant petition for alien workers, the cost is $2,805. That's the cost. You cannot do it online. It must be with a paper version. Now, we talked about the fee. Now, let's go to supporting documents that you need to submit with I-907, because I-907 must go with a form. Which form we did is I-140, and I-140 has supporting documents. So you need I-140 and I-140 supporting document plus I-907 plus the fee of $2,805. Now, once you have all this supporting document plus I-907 and the fee, you need to have your packet sent to Dallas box. It has to be this is from abroad. You must use FedEx, UPS, and DHL deliveries. And excuse me, and you must send it to this address right here. USCIS. This is I-140 box 6601. 28, 2501 South State Highway, 121 Business, Suite 400, Louisville, Texas, 55067-8003. So you will send it to this address from abroad. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.